Welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to add new users, add permissions and add or edit passwords on InterHerd Plus in the cloud. As you can see here, the home page of InterHerd Plus on the cloud looks exactly the same as InterHerd Plus when stored locally. Importantly, the layout and functions are identical irrespective of where your database is stored. This video details how to add additional users to your database. You will be supplied with the necessary information such as a remote server password and login details for at least one user when you're given access to the cloud. These details at the bottom left hand side confirm which server, database and user are being accessed. New database users can be added by clicking Administration, Database Users. This table lists the current database users. The title Login Manager is always reserved by InterHerd Plus IT and Vet1 or another username will already be set up for you. To add a new user, click in the box with a star on the left hand side. Usernames and passwords should not contain any spaces or be more than 20 characters in length. Users can be given three types of access. View only, if so neither of these boxes should be checked. Access excluding administrative rights, if so only the production box should be checked. And full access including administrative rights, if so both production and administration boxes should be checked. At least one member of staff at each veterinary practice should have administrative rights. Users with administrative rights are able to access these additional functions, which include adding new users. User permissions can be copied and pasted by right-clicking on the existing user, clicking Copy Permissions, then right-clicking on the new user and pasting permissions. This will not affect the administrative rights. Alternatively, the 5 tabs titled Premise Types, Premise Events, Animal Species, Animal Events and Administrative Units can be used to add or edit permissions. Premise type. This example only includes one premise type, but common examples of premise types include active or inactive clients. Permissions can be changed by checking within these edit, add or delete boxes. Premise event. These are events which apply to the whole herd instead of individual animals. For example, the National Yonis Management Plan annual submission. Animal species, this is usually bovine. Animal events. These events apply to individual animals and vary from an abortion to the administration of worming treatments. Please remember that these permissions can be changed by checking within these add, edit or delete boxes. Administrative units. These are more commonly used outside the UK. They are used to add geographical zones such as north, east, south or west and are useful for large databases with lots of users. So, we are now ready to log on to the database as our new user called Vet2. So click on File, Connect to Database, Vet2. Because this is the first time you're connecting to the database using this user, you don't have to add a password, so you can just click OK. So to add a password, click on System, Change Password. So because you don't currently have a password, you can leave this top box blank and then just add a new password and then just repeat the new password. Please remember you can only have a maximum of 20 characters and no spaces. Click OK and your password has been changed. So the next time you log on to the cloud, you should have to type the new password in, and we can check that now. So click File, Connect to Database. You type the new password, click OK, and you're in. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us or follow us on Twitter.